Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create an organization on GamerJive. Organizations are a way for your team to keep all your data in one place, so your branding, media, events that you've attended as a company, and analytics for events you've hosted. So if you've been invited to occupy a booth in an event, you will need to create an organization because your organization's data will be used to populate that booth with content. So let's imagine my company has agreed to have a booth at an upcoming event and that the event host has asked me to create an organization so that they can assign it to the booth. Let's have a look at how I'd go about doing that. So first things first, let's go to gamerjive.com and then I'm going to log in. So when I'm logged in, if I hover up here on my avatar, I can see this option to manage organizations. So let's click that. Now you can see that I'm not yet a member of any organizations. So to create one, let's click this create button just here. So we can give the organization a name, we can describe it, and we can upload a logo if we want at this stage. So let's just call it test organization, and I'll give it a logo. Okay, and create. So now we arrive at our organization dashboard. So you can see that right here we can edit the name and description. If we head to the branding tab, we can change the logo. We can also give it a primary and secondary color, which you can see from this image will be used to brand the booth that it populates. So let's just pick a couple of colors here. So in addition to the colors, the booth will also support a slide deck and/or a video, depending on the booth size, and some links which you can see there on the table in the booth, which when clicked will open up the link in a new tab in your browser. So if we head to the media tab, we can see here there's an option to upload the video that will be displayed in the booth. And if we click that, that will just allow us to select a file, which will be uploaded. Or we can upload a slide deck, which will be a series of images. So let's have a quick look at how that works. I select the images that I want to include. And we see them pop up here. We can actually hover over them as well and change the order or delete them if we want to. And then click save. And that will upload the images to our organization. So let's have a look at this members tab. So if we want to invite other members to join our organization, what we can do is copy this password that you're given here. And then we ask the person we want to join to head to that manage organizations area. And if they click the join organization button, then there's an area for them to enter that password. If they were to enter that password in there, click join organization, then they will also become a member of the organization and they will be able to manage the content as well. So the last thing to show you is this list of organizations up here. This is the list of organizations that you are a member of. So if we click one of these, it will take us to the organization dashboard where we can update the organization's content and media. You'll also notice this star icon. So by checking this star for a given organization, that means you'll represent that organization in any events that you attend. And you can change this at any time. You can untick it so you represent no organization, or you can represent a different organization, and you can only represent one at a time. But what it means is that your 3D avatar will come with the organization's logo and name above his head, so everybody else in the event will know that you're representing that organization.